Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Excalidraw Virtual Whiteboard. Review my usage experience. Excalidraw Virtual Whiteboard Review My Usage Experience offers a free, open-source virtual whiteboard tool for collaborative diagramming. Its main purpose is to allow individuals and teams to create hand-drawn style diagrams, flowcharts, and sketches online. Key features include the ability to use various shapes, connectors, and text, along with easy export options. Their website provides details on the open-source nature of the project and how to self-host it. Excalidraw boasts ease of use, being completely free, and having a large and active community. It focuses on a simple, intuitive interface rather than advanced features found in some paid competitors. The technology leverages a lightweight, client-side approach for quick loading and responsiveness. Availability is universal, as it's a web-based application. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Excalidraw Virtual Whiteboard. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. There's no account sign-up, you simply open the website and start drawing. The interface is incredibly intuitive. I found myself instantly comfortable using the basic shapes and connectors. I particularly enjoyed the ability to easily adjust line thickness and color. I used it to quickly sketch a project timeline for a client, and the export to PNG was flawless. Performance was excellent, it never lagged, even with several shapes and text elements on the board. I didn't interact with customer support, but their active GitHub community seemed incredibly helpful. A pro for me was definitely the simplicity and speed. It allowed me to brainstorm and visualize ideas incredibly quickly. One minor drawback was the limited image import options. I had to take a screenshot of an image to include it in my diagram. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Excalidraw. It's a fantastic tool for quick brainstorming and collaborative diagramming, especially when you need something simple, fast, and free. That's my overview of Excalidraw Virtual Whiteboard. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.